तेरी खुशी से बढ़कर मेरी खुशी है कहाँ।
मैं काम करता था गांव में, जो इडली डोसा बेचता था, समोसा की दुकान था। मेरा आदमी सही नहीं, दारू पीता है, कभी मारता है। आदमी तरह से बहुत लॉस हो गया। अब खर्च सब जगह उधार हो गया। वो उधार में मेरे परेशान हो गया। अब कुछ बच्चे के ले को सीधा इधर आया। सायरा छोटी बच्ची से संभाल रहे हैं। जब भी सायरा 4 साल से सुमिया को संभाल रहे।
Saira found her childhood cut short even before it had started. Afraid of the world that lay outside the 4 walls, Shabana would lock the children in the room before she left for work each day.
हम लोग बैठे रहते थे, घर पे खेलते बिलते थे सब कुछ। जब कुछ चाहिए हो गया तो मम्मी को बोलते थे, मम्मी ला के देती थी। ऐसे घर पर ही रहते, हम लोग कहीं बाहर नहीं जाते थे। घर पे बैठ के एक दूसरे को मारना, मस्ती करना, वही चालू रहता था। मैंने 3rd till मराठी मीडियम में पढ़ा, मुझे अभी तक कुछ नहीं आता। अभी मैं उन बच्चों को यही सिखाता है, माँ से दूर रहो। मैंने जब बाल काटी थी, मेरी टीचर ने मुझे बोली तेरी मम्मी के जैसे तुझे बनना है क्या। मुझे बुरा लग गया उस टाइम, क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी एक सेक्स वर्क करे और मुझे बुरा लगा था।
Shabana sent the children back to her village, hoping that away from Kamathipura they would have a better chance to find a normal childhood. One she was no longer in a position to provide. She had no idea her worst nightmare would come true. Weeks after Saira returned home, her father raped her.
7 साल की तो मेरे साथ अब्यूज हुआ था, रेप हुआ था। मैं बता नहीं पाई किसी को। 1 महीना तक मैंने घर पे थी, उसके बाद मम्मी ने मुझे लेके आया। मुझे इस बात का बहुत बुरा लगता था, जो मेरे साथ हुआ मेरे घर पर ही हुआ। मैं बता नहीं पाती थी। जब मैंने मम्मी स्कूल में भर्ती किए, किसी के पास अच्छे से रहती नहीं, मामा अंकल किसी के पास भी जाती नहीं, क्योंकि एक डर बैठ गया आदमी लोग कुछ भी करेंगे करके मुझे।
I have to Robin Chaurasia sharing our space on Drive Mumbai this evening. She's a civil rights activist, a very vocal lesbian, and is founder of Kranti, a Mumbai-based NGO that fights to give a better life to kids of sex workers and also children who've been affected by domestic violence.
I am also a survivor of rape and child sexual abuse, and that is something that permeates, I guess, if you will, the industry, these girls, everyone. So many, it's not just about being from the red light area and having been abused. It's so many girls in India.
Red light districts in our megalopolises like Kamathipura have been brought under major interventions in HIV prevention and treatment. Children of these sex workers, however, tucked away from its streets and brothels, continue to slip the radar. Studies conducted in red light districts of Asia and Africa show that children like Saira, more often than not exposed to early sexualization and parental abuse, fall victim to psychological issues. The low rate of school enrollment among them cuts them off mainstream life even further.
लड़कियों के बाल बड़े होने चाहिए और लड़कों के छोटे होने चाहिए। अगर अल्लाह ने बनाया तो पीछे जाओ और इंसान ने बनाया तो आगे आओ।
At this beach in Mumbai, the daughters of sex workers gather on appointed days. Trainers of NGO Kranti use games, counseling and therapy to address issues of sexual abuse and gender injustice that these children routinely witness growing up.
लड़कियां ही घर का काम करना चाहिए। भगवान ने बनाया फिर इंसान ने बनाया। भगवान ने बनाया तो पीछे जाओ, इंसान ने बनाया तो आगे आओ।
Robin Chaurasia, a former US Air Force pilot, founded Kranti 2 years ago to reach out to this vulnerable community.
The child of Indian immigrants and grew up in the US, and I think that everybody always has this idea of this being an amazing childhood. Oh, you grew up in America. But really, nobody realizes so many problems that exist in the US also for immigrants particularly. So my whole life I just kind of grew up as that brown kid in, you know, a white area and, you know, just being made fun of my whole life of, you know, being Indian and you worship funny gods and your mom wears funny clothes. And I was 12, 13, I really realized that I was lesbian. And because of the Indian context and my parents plus, you know, society as a whole, I just knew that that was a part of me that I would have to hide for so long. And I never knew that I would ever be able to live openly. And as a kid especially, you think you're the only one, you think that there's no community and stuff, but, you know, this is kind of what set the tone.